Making money online has never been this easy. With the advent of AI and the use of automation, anyone in the world can actually start today and build a solid business online with little or no skills. Actually, it's becoming very confusing when you don't know how to start or to go about in making your first dollar online, and that's where I come in. Hello, what's up guys? If you really want to change your life, I'm going to share with you 6 lucrative ideas which are the perfect solution for anyone who wants to actually start in making an extra income on the side, or if you want to scale it to become a full business. And if that sounds like you, keep watching this video till the end. To make money online, teaching is a gold mine. I had to put tutoring at the top of my list because this is something that literally anyone can do from anywhere in the world. So when I talk about teaching, I'm not talking about you going to maybe Udemy or Skillshare to actually list a grammatical course or something that you are teaching very complex to make money online. Literally, you can start by teaching from basic things that you know, maybe just teaching people how to talk like I'm doing now, or organizing a free training in your community. Let me explain. Actually, you know that anyone around you wants to learn something, and you might have a skill or something that you know that the next person around you does not know, or you feel like people around you don't know that to detail. Organize a training of very few people, maybe 5 to 10 people, make it for free, and the first people who are going to jump on this training, if you actually deliver them value or give them relevant information, definitely they're going to come for a second training which you are still going to organize, and on the third training definitely you can ask them to pay you amounts of money, and if you give them value the first and the second time, the third time they're going to actually pay you so much money for teaching them that same skill. So another thing that you can actually do is going to these big platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. Definitely these platforms are very successful today, and they exist because people are actually teaching. You cannot tell me that people are not teaching and these platforms are successful. And the reason why they are so successful is because the platform is making money and the people who are teaching are also making so much money. So what I'm going to be doing on this channel is I'm going to be breaking down all the strategies, because I will not tell you to jump on Udemy today, because trust me guys, you're not going to make any money. It's very saturated and so many people are actually doing the same thing here, and I myself have actually tried to use this platform and knowledge on it. I have good knowledge on it that I can actually share with you, the tips and tricks which you can actually use to leverage this platform to rank high and get more students who are going to pay you from what you can offer. So what actually happens on Skillshare is, as you can go to this platform, you see that most of the popular creators which you know on YouTube, they are paid and making so much money from a platform like Skillshare, and they're also making so much money from a platform like Udemy. So what you need to do is actually choose these weird things that you feel like everybody knows. Trust me guys, there are many people who don't know those things that you feel like are very simple, those things that you feel like they are very good to go and you feel like everybody should know how to do it. Like just talking like I'm doing now, not everybody is able to sit and look at the camera and maybe smile like I'm doing now, yeah, to talk to people, because I know you are my fans and I want you guys to actually join me to actually change your life and also change my own life. Because if you subscribe to this channel and turn on notification, I'm going to be dropping detailed videos on how you can actually leverage this method. Follow me step by step, and trust me, with 6 months of consistency, you are going to come back here to give testimonies of success that you have made from actually just teaching people online. There's a lot I can give you on actually teaching people online, but I'm going to be listing 6 things here, and the 6th is my best. So stay tuned to actually get the next point which I'm going to be sharing with you, and also get my favorite point of the best 2023 strategies to make money online. So the next on my list is actually creating and selling digital products. Yes, creating and selling digital products is one of the first methods which I actually use to make money online. And trust me guys, it's very easy. You can start from actually creating simple book covers to creating ebooks. Yes, when I'm talking about creating ebooks, I'm not telling you to go and create an ebook on teaching people how to make coding, because you're going to feel like I don't have so much knowledge, I'm not well educated, I don't have good English to actually teach people. There are so many AI softwares and tools there that are going to help you to write good English, and they're going to help you to actually arrange everything in order. A good platform like Amazon KDP is a platform that has been very popular these days because many people are making money from it. One thing I want to let you to know is that if you get something that is actually going viral and people are talking about it, therefore there's money behind it, and so many people are going to start from the beginning, are going to make this money, and you that are going to come at the end, or maybe you start in 2023, you should go with it without having the real tips and tricks, the secrets about this platform. You are still not going to make any money from it, and that's why I'm here to actually break down those things and give you those secrets. Because if you just go ahead on it, jump in making ebooks, posting them on Amazon KDP, just posting big book covers, then nobody's going to buy from you. So if you are thinking that maybe you don't know how to create these journals, you don't know how to create these ebooks, you can actually make designs that people are going to pay for to print on their t-shirt. And the good thing about this is that a platform like Etsy is the best, especially for those who are in the Western side, in the European America. These people, you might have things in your house that you feel like, yo, this thing is not very good for me. I don't want to use this thing again. There are people online, there are people out there that are ready to pay for it. So all you need to do is create an account on Etsy, create an account on Amazon, list these products there, make sure that you use the right keywords, which I'm also going to be teaching you SEO and optimization on this channel, so that you can actually know what to put where and where to put it, so that your products or your listing or your website can actually rank high for people to meet you and buy from it. So a platform like Shopify is also a good place to go, but for the easy, you can actually sell in digital products like maybe those designs, journals. There are so many things that you can actually sell. So all you need to do is go to this platform, look for anything that you have a good understanding of. If you know how to teach people how to treat themselves using local products or maybe using herbs, create an ebook on this topic. Right, make sure that you have used well explained words, make sure that you understand what you are doing, organize it, use a book cover that is well designed, post it online, use Facebook ads, and you are going to make money by selling digital products. So this Facebook ads, Instagram ads, there are platforms like this that are going to help you to reach out to those people. Another secret method that many people don't know how to sell their digital products is using cold emails. Yes, definitely everybody has a Google account, everybody has this account that help them to visit the internet, and if you actually send an email, definitely is going to reach out to somebody. And these are the methods that you can actually use to focus and reach out to these people, because if you want to depend on platforms like this, Etsy, Amazon, is very crowded. So you have to know those tips and tricks, and that is one of the easiest methods that you need to do. So go to websites, go to Facebook accounts, go to Facebook groups, find those people who are interested in your niche, those people who are talking about what you know best. Those people might have information, but they might have limited information. So go there, propose your products to them, advertise it to them in an engaging and a very nice looking manner, and trust me guys, you're going to make money from selling digital products. There's a lot of digital products out there, and you can create your own digital product. I've made a video on this channel and so many videos how you can leverage Canva to make simple designs. Don't tell me I don't know how to design, don't tell me that I don't know how to write. Canva is going to help you to create simple ebooks in PDF format, and it's also going to help you to make these things so easy. So guys, if you are thinking of actually starting to sell digital products online, this channel is the #1 go-to for you to actually learn those skills and how to monetize them so fast. So you can actually use Etsy, use Amazon KDP, or you can also use seller.com. Seller.com is one of the best platforms, and as you can see, these products here, these are products that are listed, and I've actually made money selling these ebooks. So you can actually choose from doing print on demand. All those methods are ways to make money selling digital products. So the third method which I'm going to be sharing with you here, which is so very interesting, is making money through paid surveys. Yes, this is actually a good method if you want to make a few bucks to $100, but I will not encourage this method to someone who wants to go a full business online and you want to start making thousands of dollars or making millions online, because for this method you can make a few bucks by answering questions, commenting on videos, and as you can see, this website swagbuck.com is very legit. This is Trustpilot here. Trustpilot has given this website a 4.3 rating, showing that many people have visited this website and the money you make from this website is true. And for someone like me who has actually tried it out, to make money here is tedious. To be sincere with you, to make money here is going to take you a lot of time, and sometimes you might not even end up completing this task. So you might get a task like maybe commenting on videos, you might get a task like maybe subscribing to channels, but you really need to have a good understanding of this platform on how it functions for you to be able to make this money. But trust me guys, it's legit, and it's a very simple way that you can start in 2023 and make money online for free. And if you want to know more about it, drop a comment telling me, Cyril, yo, I want to learn how to make money on Swagbucks, and I'm going to go ahead and record a video, and it's not going to cost me anything to record 6 different videos for these 6 topics to teach you how to make this money online. So drop in the comment section, tell me what you think about this video or what you are going to be starting on in 2023 to make money, and I'm going to make a detailed video showing how you can actually leverage those methods to make money online. So guys, if you are still watching this video, this method I'm about to share with you now is going to change your life. Making money through freelancing has been a game changer for me, because freelancing is not all about Fiverr.com, it's not all about Upwork, it's not all about freelancer.com. You can become a freelancer by just offering any service that you know. What am I talking about? You know something, you know how to talk, you know how to design, you know how to create a website, you know how to just teach people. Yes, that's a service you can actually offer. So what you need to do is use platforms like Facebook groups, use Instagram, use cold emailing. I really love emailing, because after all the digital marketing strategies that are online, email marketing is one of the best, because you can spend 1% and make 99% bonus. Yes, that's true. The open rate is very high, and there's a lot that I can talk about email marketing, but if you're someone who knows about it, email marketing is one of the best methods of doing marketing online, which many people are neglecting, but those who are using it are making so much money on the secret. And that's why I'm here to reveal those secrets to you. So you can actually go to these platforms here, something like Fiverr.com. You just need to actually list a product, list your service on what you know how to do. So You just need to actually come here, find out on what these people are doing. So actually, maybe you know how to design. Yes, for instance, that is already very crowded on Fiverr. You just need to come and list yourself here as a designer, and people who are searching for designers might search and find you to do their services, and they are going to pay you for that. But the problem with in 2023, if you have to actually start doing designing on Fiverr, there are thousands to millions of people doing design on Fiverr, and I'm not going to tell you that you should start doing that today, because you are going to be frustrated and you're going to come back here telling me, Cyril, I did not make money from freelancing. Yes, you're not going to make money from it. So there are a lot of tips and tricks, there are a lot of secrets that you need to actually follow, and you need to go through to be able to make this money from these freelancing platforms that are online. So guys, I'm going to be sharing all that in detailed videos here, and if you want those videos to come soon, yes, drop a comment telling me, Cyril, I want to start freelancing today, I want to join you to change my life this 2023, and I'm going to create a detailed video explaining to you all what I know, so that you can copy my method, copy my strategy, and we are going to make this money together. So after doing freelancing for some time now, I believe that I have this information. So guys, drop a comment, let me know if you are joining freelancing this year. So another perfect method, and one of the methods which I am also doing, and I want to also copy my ideas and my strategies from this channel, is blogging. Yes, talking about blogging is one of the easiest, because all of us here have actually gone maybe to primary school, you know how to write. And if you can write in English or any language that you think of online, you are going to make money from blogging. So you are going to tell me, Cyril, I don't know how to build a website. Cyril, I'm not good at actually writing good English. Yes, there are a lot of no-code platforms that help you to build website with just drag and drop, step by step, and you're going to use 30 minutes an hour to have a website online. You just need to pay a few bucks for hosting, and your website is going to be active online. And if you have $0, I'm talking about someone who does not have money to host a professional website like what you're actually seeing here, you can actually use this platform, blogger.com. It's a free platform by Google that helps to host a website online for completely free. You're not going to pay a coin for you to host your website here, to do the designing and everything. So you can check out blogger.com if you want to design, or if you don't know how to do this and you feel like after what I'm saying is still very complex, drop a comment there and I'm going to tell you how to go about it, everything step by step. So I'm going to be replying to all those comments one after the other. So as you can see, this is an AdSense account that I just got this website approved full few days to the end of December, and I can see that money there. I'm not going to call the amount, you can see for yourself. That is free money. For me, I call it free money because I'm actually doing what I love. So for all these things I've actually talked about here, the seed which is my best is going to come. So if you are still watching this video, stay tuned. So what I want to say is, all these methods which I've listed here, I'm not going to tell you to choose something because there's much money in it. Choose something that you are going to love, that are so passionate about it, and you're going to be happy doing it, because all these things require a high level of consistency. To be sincere with you, I've actually tried so many of them, and the truth is, if you're not consistent, if you don't understand the concept, if you don't know what you are going into, you're going to try it for the first few months or few days and dump it and come back telling me you do not make money. That's not how to make money online. It requires at least 6 months or even 3 months of serious consistent effectiveness, applying the best strategies before you can leverage this method and make so much money online. In this video, I cannot exhaust everything because I don't want to make a mighty long video explain to you, but trust me guys, on this channel I'm going to be breaking down everything step by step. So to go to the last method which I'm actually implementing now to make money online, is starting a YouTube channel. Yes, I know you're going to be like, yeah, Cyril, I don't know how to talk, I don't know how to look at camera, I don't have lighting, I don't know how to do all these things. I actually grew from 0 to 338 subscribers without showing my face, and I can actually teach you how you can build a YouTube channel without showing your face, without talking, and you're going to be making thousands of dollars every single month. I have an anonymous channel that got monetized faster than even the real channel which I have, because making money online now has been so simple. So with YouTube, all you need to do is create up a channel, choose a topic that you love, what you know that you can actually continue doing it even if it's not working. Be consistent for at least 6 months. I will say 6 months. Do it over and over. There are many strategies that you need to optimize, that you need to know how to make your thumbnails, how to optimize your videos, how to actually make your video look engaging like I'm trying to do now, and I believe that you're actually smiling. So if it's that you want to know more about YouTube, I'm ready to teach you all this. I'm going to drop my Instagram, my Twitter, any social media platform that's your favorite that you want to reach out to me. I'm going to be giving you this knowledge for completely free. Yes, I'm going to be teaching you for free. Let's build a community together, and if you choose any of these strategies here, link up with me. We're going to build a system and we're going to grow, so that at the end of 2023 we're going to be giving those testimonies together. So if you want to start with freelancing, or if you want to start with content creation online, you can watch this video here. It's going to give you a step-by-step guide on how you can actually use AI to build a system an income generating system on autopilot online. So guys, I know you're already smiling watching this video. Don't go without watching the next video. Drop a like, leave a comment. See you in my next video. Ciao.